Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. Today we discuss from Operators chapter, Python membership operators. This is the last part from the Operators chapter. Let's get started. In Python, membership operators are used to test whether a value is a member of a sequence. In other words, it tests the membership of any value in a data sequence. These data sequences can be a string, list, as well as tuples. There are two membership operators in Python, in, and not in. These operators return true or false, based on whether the specified value is found in the sequence. The in operator returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. The not in operator returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. And this is our syntax, which we will discuss practically. Before that, let me say one more thing about this operator. These operators are commonly used in conditional statements and loops to make decisions based on whether a value is present or absent in a sequence. They are simple yet powerful tools for working with collections of data in Python. Let's see it practically. Here we will create a file as usual. First of all, here we will declare a variable. Now we will first use the in operator. Note here, our output is true, because this uppercase V is present here. Note one more thing here, Python is case-sensitive language. Now our output will be false, because this lowercase v not present in here. That's why, we will get false as output. Let's execute it. As you can see here, we got our expected output. Let's try it in another way. As you can see here, we used uppercase letters once and lowercase letters once. And as usual, the first condition is true so it's true, and the second condition is false so it's false. Now we will use the not in operator. Just remember that the not in operator is the opposite of the in operator. Here you can see, we got false as output, because our condition is false, because the uppercase V is present here, but we using not in operator, that's why, we got false. Now here we change the uppercase V to lowercase v, and our result will be true. As you can see here, we got our expected output. Now we try a little differently. See here we get true as the output, but I will change the lowercase c to uppercase C here. Now our output is false, because our condition was false. Now let's use integer instead of string. Here you can see, our output will be true, because A present in the list. Now, our output will be false, because B not present in the list. As you can see here, we got the expected output. Now we will use N. Similarly, we will use not in operator here. Now our output will be false, because A present in the list. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.